everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make glossy slime just like this. What you're going to need is a bowl, glue, and I'm using Elmer's. You can't really see it, it's a gallon. Lotion, food coloring, which I don't have on me right now, and you're also going to need baby oil and activate. Take your container and your glue and pour in your glue like this. Now you're going to add in your lotion. Just like that. Now you're going to add in your baby oil. So just add in a little bit. You don't need a lot. It's about that much. Now you're going to need food coloring. I'm going to make orange, so I need a red and my yellow. Just like that. Add these two in. Open the cap. I'm going to add 3 of each. Just like that. Now I'm going to stir this all together. We are done stirring. We are going to need our activator. So what I am using for my activator is 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. So now I'm going to take my broken spoon and I'm just going to add this much water, borax water. And now I'm going to mix it. And see how it is starting to chunk together? Now it is becoming slime. So I'm going to keep adding little by little and I will be back when it's ready. My slime is starting to stick to itself, which is very good. So now, when this is happening, you're going to take it out of its container, like this, okay? And try to get all of it out. Now it's a little bit, your slime's going to be sticky when you take it out. So just have your activator next to you and just kind of dip your fingers in and just activate it like this. And just keep doing that until you get it to the consistency that you want.
A few moments later.
For the longest time, I finally got it. It's super nice. The bubble pops are amazing. It's super glossy. I love it. It was definitely worth it, even though it took me like 10 minutes because for some reason it just wasn't activating once I took it out. It was weird. But it was definitely worth it. The slime's amazing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Comment down below what videos I should do because I am doing some requests because I'm running out of ideas. Because I already have a big list of what to do, but I want more. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below some ideas, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.